Dorado Casita Rail, Suite 3136. Watch your step up. Off to the left, you have the bathroom, double sink, large restroom area. You have your double closets with a safe, of course. With the double sinks, and you have the private toilet area with the swinging doors. Very cool. And we're looking at 2 showers in this section. Have your indoor shower. Then, of course, you have your outdoor shower. Very cool. Of course, it looks into the overlooking the tub on the other side of the window there. Going back through the bathroom. You have your table where they fill the drinks. TV with your fridge right below it, which they keep stocked for you, which is very nice, of any sodas and drinks that you would like. Beautiful bed. Very comfortable bed. Your AC unit. Over here we have our sitting area. Nice little sitting area, and of course a beautiful tub, which again overlooks the outdoor shower. Nice view from the sitting area to the outside. Outside you have your own day bed on your deck. Beautiful view of your own private pool, and the sections pool over there with the bar, very close. You can actually go down to have this little lazy river on the other side of your pool, which goes straight to the main pool. So, and of course you have a little dining area for 2. Again, that's it. Dorado Casita Royale, the honeymoon suite, or what they call the honeymoon suite because this guy's private pool, 3136.